Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. We are looking at the 2020-2023 NABTEB examination, and we are looking at the theory part of the mathematics question. We are at question 6b, and it says business partners Adamu and Michael own a business. The ratio of Adamu's share to Michael's is 11:9. If 2/3 of Michael's share is 7,200 naira, calculate the value of the business. 2. What is Adamu's share in naira? Now, we've been given a clue that 2/3 of Michael's share is 7,200 naira. So let Michael's share be x, such that 2/3 multiplied by x will give us 7,200. Since they've told us that 2/3 of Michael's share is 7,200, so that will now become 2x/3 equals 7,200. So if we cross multiply, 2x equals 3 multiplied by 7,200, and 2x equals, for multiply, that is 21600. X will now become 21600 all over 2, and that gives us 10,000 naira 800. So we've been able to calculate Michael's share. So now let us now look for the value of the business. The value of the business, because we've been given the ratio within which the business was shared. So the total ratio now become 11 plus 9, and that gives us 20. So let the value be y. So since we know that the 9%, the ratio 9 that belongs to Michael, is 10,800, such that 9/20 of y equals 10,800. So there will now be 9y/20 equals 10,800. So if we cross multiply, that gives us 9y equals 20 multiplied by 10,800. So 9y equals 21600. So let me use this space. So y equals 21600 divided by 9. So y equals 24. So the value of the business is 24,000. The second question asks is, what is Adamu's share? Now, since we know the value of the business and we know Michael's share, so it will now be easy to calculate Adamu's share. So Adamu's share will now become 24,000 minus, that is Michael's share, 10,800, and that gives us 13,200 naira. We are to give our answer in naira, so please remember to put the unit. It is very, very important. So that is the solution. Thank you very much, and if you have any other question, please feel free to put it in the comment section. Till I see you next time, thank you and remain blessed. Please remember to subscribe to this channel.